with using this material. So what I've got here is my KClO3 in a test tube, and it will melt safety matches.
Got a lighter.
Melts at about 200 degrees. This, you know, is about 1900, right? And so it'll melt. So if I start to heat it a little bit like this, it starts to melt. And notice it has 3 moles of oxygen. Remember, oxygen is that which we suggest is powering the space shuttle and that type thing. So try to heat this up until it melts. And I said it was explosive in the presence of what?
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. And if you're close enough to see, a little driplet of water just, or excuse me, of liquid, KClO3. So you see it's safe. I'm wearing laboratory safety spectacles, as I know you would do. Doing this in a Pyrex tube. Had I pulverized, it would be faster. Patience is a virtue. That was scary.
You know, I used to pray for patience, and God gave me twins.
Golly.
So y'all be there.
What are the names?
Lane and Logan, which I've got 3 boys, so he gave me twins when my oldest was a year old, I should say.
Wow.
Who also has ADHD, so.
You get patience.
But people, because their father is a twin, people said, oh, we probably have twins one day. And I said, oh, no, God's not going to give me twins because he knows I don't need them because I don't have the patience.
And I am convinced that God only gives people who have the capacity.
Yeah, I have come to figure that out.
Debbie and I, we always wanted a little girl, and boy, Thomas does not know how close he was to being called Katie. He's my baby. Okay, see how we pretty much liquefied it now. We're getting really close to having it completely liquefied. And I'm doing this because I said it's going to be, it's explosive in the presence of carbohydrate sugars. Now I just have to find a source of sugar.
Hot tamales.
But anyway, let's try a hot tamale in here and see what happens.
I'll get behind the glass shield.
So we've got this thing liquefied like that. Let's see what would happen if I drop a hot tamale in there.
Well, you already had one ready.
You want to do it?
Ooh, sure. Sure. Oh, yeah.
So you see, there's that potential. Now, I've been told that we don't have to worry about the smoke because the smoke alarms don't work.
That's the point.
And we're hoping that really, I really worry about that because, but isn't that neat? And now you see, but yeah, it really is, because chemistry is really cool, because what is happening there is that 3 moles of oxygen, do those 3 moles of oxygen, what if I did this with 4 moles of oxygen? That is your rocket fuel. Okay, so we're that close. The 4 moles of oxygen is when we have those exploding targets, you know, when you're out there on Top Shot gun and all, Top Shot, whatever that is, that's the rocket fuel that you're using right there. Good stuff. But I just wanted to say that's the precaution. Now, in our case, what we're doing